What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? SNOA family, we're right here in Swahili, man, with the only one purpose. We're here to build a water tanks here in Swahili, 2 of them. Right now, as you can see, activities are going on back there. They have been digging all the way deep down inside for over 40 meters right now, and they're still trying to find where the water is. But the most important and interesting thing about this place is that this place has been here for over 60 years, but they don't have clean and safe water. They have kids, they have women, they have children, they have men, but they have not have access to the clean water for such a long time. It's a struggle here. And we're right here to provide just that very thing. So my request to everybody is that government, please do your damn job. All right. Not only in South Africa, across the continent of Africa, man, there's a need for clean water. This is a basic need. Water, food, shelter is a basic need. And you guys can provide that. These days, even internet is a basic need. So food, water, shelter, and internet. Come on, guys, you can do better than that. It's not a difficult job to do something like this. Stop putting your money in your pockets and put your money into people's life, all right? You guys, you always ask for to be elected for the second time. You know, you ask for their votes. You know, you give them fake promises that you're gonna do A, B, C, D. But when it comes the time to do it, you guys, you forgot. You just stay in your White House, in your offices, and you don't do nothing. It's a time to put on the action, and it's a time to put on the money where your talk is. You know what I'm saying? Don't leave your work for missionaries and for foreigners and for NGOs to do your damn job. We all know we have a lot of issues because of that eventually at the end of the day, because they do everything for us. It's our continent, it's our work. We gotta do our own job. Government, Africans, let's stand up, let's do our own job. I'm calling even African diaspora from all over the world, man. It's not so expensive to build a water tank in Africa. You guys can come here with the organization, you can build a water tank here. Even Africans in the continent, you guys, you have houses, you have money, you have capitals, you have businesses. Please return to the community. You don't have to build in your own country. You can build in another country in Africa. Build anywhere, whatever you can.